Are you gonna ride? Are you gonna be good? Look, look at their leaves. They're very sad because it's so hot. Hello guys, this is Sarah GT, and what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna share to you what should I do to my garden. This is my first year to have a garden on my backyard. So since this is the first year and this is my first time to do something like this, I encounter a first problem, which is they did not look good, especially the bok choy. So it's pretty summer. We're heading to 80 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm thinking about a quick fix to give them shade. So I bought some products from Amazon. I'm gonna open it right now. Right now it's 10 o'clock, and at the backyard, when it hits 11 o'clock, that's the time that it became very hot. So I need to get it done today before my plants give up on me. So let's do some unboxing, and I'm just gonna show you the products that I want to put up to help my plants survive for the summer. So let's check it out. So I have these two boxes that's from Amazon. So this is what we call a shade cloth. I'm looking for 30%, and unfortunately I can't find 30%. So the reason why I want like 30%, because I want them to have sun, because it's very important. I have string beans and bitter melon or bitter gourd, so it needs some sun. And I have bok choy, which is my mistake. They said bok choy likes cold weather and more water, so hopefully this will help. Although this is the 40%. So it says here, our sunblock shade cloth is perfect for pool, yard, and garage to create the perfect shade for your family. If you're not satisfied with our products, you can contact us for return, refund, or replacement. So yeah, it's not so thick. Still, the harmful rays of sun will block this one. And so in our area, it's kind of windy, so I want the wind or the air just goes through it. So that's the reason why I picked this one. I was planning to get 30%, but they're not available. They're out of stocks in Amazon, so I just picked this one. It says 40%. I picked the long ones. So it's not really expensive. So I bought some for my indoor plants. We call this plant saucer. So now I have the shade cloth. What I need is the post, like pole. So I can't think of anything, but you know, like the pole for, I don't know what's I'm gonna look for the right term. Bird feeder, blah blah blah. Okay, let's open this one. It's kind of long and heavy. I bought 4 of this, so it will hold the cloth, our shade cloth. So yep, we got some covers. What do you call it? A bird feeder. Yes. Oh, it's kind of heavy.
Mommy, I'm here.
Hi, come on, nudge it, baby.
I want to see what it is.
So I hope this will hold my. So I hope this hold my shade cloth, and I'm gonna install it today, so before the sun really hits hard to my plants. Okay, so see you there. Tiffy, where are you?
Phil!
There you are.
Where you found it?
Okay, watch your step. Don't step on my plants. Okay, Tiffy, just on the side, please, not on the middle. Tiffy. Okay, get up. Out.